ఎస్టీ, ఓబీసీ, పీడబ్ల్యూడీ, ఎక్స్ సర్వీస్ మెన్, వయసు సడలింపులు వర్తిస్తాయి. ఫోటో. అప్లికేషన్ ఫోటో పైన తేదీ తప్పనిసరిగా ఉండాలి. 3 నెలలకు మించరాదు. జోన్ల వారీగా ఎగ్జామినేషన్ సెంటర్స్. సదర్న్ రీజియన్లో తెలంగాణ మరియు ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్. కంప్యూటర్ బేస్డ్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్ టైర్ 1. జనరల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ 25 ప్రశ్నలు 50 మార్కులు. జనరల్ అవేర్నెస్ 25 ప్రశ్నలు 50 మార్కులు. క్వాంటిటేటివ్ ఆప్టిట్యూడ్ 25 ప్రశ్నలు 50 మార్కులు. ఇంగ్లీష్ కాంప్రహెన్షన్ 25 ప్రశ్నలు 50 మార్కులు. ప్రతి తప్పు సమాధానానికి 0.5 నెగిటివ్ మార్కులుగా ఉంటుంది. కంప్యూటర్ బేస్డ్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్ టైర్ 2. క్వాంటిటేటివ్ ఎబిలిటీస్ 100 ప్రశ్నలు 200 మార్కులు. ఇంగ్లీష్ కాంప్రహెన్షన్ 100 ప్రశ్నలు 200 మార్కులు. స్టాటిస్టిక్స్ 100 ప్రశ్నలు 200 మార్కులు. జనరల్ స్టడీస్ 100 ప్రశ్నలు 200 మార్కులు. ప్రతి తప్పు సమాధానానికి 0.25 నెగిటివ్ మార్కులుగా ఉంటాయి. ఎగ్జామినేషన్ ఇన్ లాంగ్వేజ్ ఇంగ్లీష్ అండ్ హిందీ. డిస్క్రిప్టివ్ పేపర్ టైర్ 3. పెన్ మరియు పేపర్ మోడ్. ఎస్సే రైటింగ్, లెటర్, అప్లికేషన్, ప్రెసిస్ ఎట్సెట్రా. స్కిల్ టెస్ట్ లేదా టైపింగ్ టెస్ట్ టైర్ 4. కంప్యూటర్ ప్రొఫిషియన్సీ టెస్ట్ మరియు డేటా ఎంట్రీ స్పీడ్ టెస్ట్. ఆన్లైన్ ద్వారా దరఖాస్తు చేసుకోవాల్సి ఉంటుంది. దరఖాస్తులకు చివరి తేదీ జనవరి 31, 2021. సంప్రదించాల్సిన వెబ్సైట్ ssc.nic.in.
Hello children, welcome to the digital class. In this session, you are going to learn about quadrilaterals, types of quadrilaterals and different properties of quadrilaterals. Children, observe the screen. What are these figures? Yes, these are closed figures. Okay children, what are these highlighted figures? Yes, these are polygons. Okay children, now tell me what are these highlighted figures? Yes, these are quadrilaterals. Okay children, now let us know the learning objectives of this session. You will be able to know what is a quadrilateral, angle sum property of a quadrilateral, types of quadrilaterals, properties of quadrilaterals. Okay children, first let us understand what is a polygon. A simple closed plane figure bounded by line segments is called a polygon. Children, what I am doing? Yes, I am taking 3 points. I am naming them as A, B, C. Now I am joining AB, BC, CA. Next I am taking 4 points ABCD joining AB, BC, CD, DA. Children, what are these? Can we call them as polygons? Yes. Why? These are closed plane figures which are formed by only line segments. First one is called triangle and the second one is called quadrilateral. As it is having 3 line segments, we are calling it as triangle. As it is formed by 4 line segments, we are calling it as quadrilateral. A simple closed plane figure bounded by 4 line segments is called a quadrilateral. Children, here you can see quadrilateral ABCD. Vertices are ABCD. Children, the points which we take to construct a quadrilateral are called vertices, and when we join these points we will get the line segments which are called the sides. Children, here the sides are AB, BC, CD, AD. And what are the angles, children? Yes, angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. So from this what you can understand, children? A quadrilateral is having 4 vertices, 4 sides and 4 angles. Okay, children. In quadrilateral ABCD, the opposite side of AB is CD. Children observe, yes, this is AB side. For this, the opposite side is CD. Okay, children. Now, the angle opposite to angle B is angle D. Children, where is the angle B? Here is the angle B. For this, the opposite angle is angle D. The adjacent sides of AB are BC and AD. Children, observe AB now in the figure. Yes, for this, BC and AD are the adjacent sides. BC and AD are the adjacent sides. The adjacent angles of angle A are angle B and angle D. Children, observe here, for angle A, B is adjacent and at the same time D is also adjacent. So I can say B and D are the adjacent angles of angle A. Okay, let us understand what is the diagonal of a quadrilateral. A line segment joining the opposite vertices of a quadrilateral is called diagonal. Children, here I am taking a quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, for A, the opposite vertex is C. So I can say for A, opposite vertex is C. So when I join this, I will get a diagonal. So when I join this with a line segment, I am calling it as a diagonal. Okay, children, now for B, which is the opposite vertex? Yes, it is D. So what you have to do, children? Yes, we have to join B with D. So I am getting another diagonal. So like this, how many diagonals are able to construct in a quadrilateral? Yes, we can construct 2 diagonals. So here in ABCD quadrilateral, AC and BD are the diagonals. Every quadrilateral has a pair of diagonals. Children, try to understand here. A 4-sided figure, which is called a quadrilateral, will have 2 diagonals, or we can call a pair of diagonals. A quadrilateral divides a plane into 3 parts. What are the 3 parts, children? Yes, interior, exterior and the quadrilateral. Okay, now observe the picture. Yes, I am taking a quadrilateral with yellow color, and outside you can find violet color, and you can see the line segments here, 4 line segments with blue color. Yellow color region is the interior of the quadrilateral, violet color region is the exterior of the quadrilateral, and the blue color line segments can be called as quadrilateral. So from this what you can understand, children? A quadrilateral divides a plane into 3 parts: interior, exterior and the boundary. Okay, let us find the points which are in the interior, exterior and on the quadrilateral. Children, observe the picture. Yes, I am taking a quadrilateral. I am taking some points inside the quadrilateral, some points outside the quadrilateral. So let us answer these questions. Points in the interior. Children, can you name the points which are in the interior of the quadrilateral? Yes, A, D, F. Points in the exterior. Children, can you name the points which exterior of the quadrilateral? Yes, B, E, G. Points on the boundary, or we can say on the quadrilateral. Children, what are the points which are lying on the quadrilateral? Yes, C, P, Q, R, S. Okay, let us understand types of quadrilaterals. Children, we have 2 types of quadrilaterals. First one, convex quadrilateral. Second one, concave quadrilateral. Let us understand what is a convex quadrilateral. A quadrilateral in which all the line segments joining points in the interior of a quadrilateral also lie in the interior of the quadrilateral. Let us understand with the diagram. Children, here I am taking ABCD quadrilateral and I am taking 2 points. I am joining them. Children, what you are observing here? I am taking a quadrilateral. I am taking 2 points and I am joining them. The points which lie on this line segment belongs to the interior of the quadrilateral. I am taking another 2 points. Yes, I am joining them, and these points also lie in the interior of the quadrilateral. From this what you can understand children, you can take any two points in a convex quadrilateral and join them. What do you observe? All the points which lie on the line segment are lying in the interior of the quadrilateral. Such a quadrilateral is called convex quadrilateral. Children, here you have to understand one thing. All the interior angles of a convex quadrilateral are less than 180 degrees. Children, here angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D are always less than 180. All the interior angles of a convex quadrilateral are less than 180 degrees. Now let us understand what is a concave quadrilateral. A quadrilateral in which all the line segments joining points in the interior of a quadrilateral do not necessarily lie in the interior of the quadrilateral. Children, to explain this, I am taking a quadrilateral here, ABCD. I am taking 2 points, I am joining them. All the points which lie on this line segment lie in the interior of the quadrilateral. Now what I am doing children, I am taking 2 other points, I am joining them. Now can you tell children, the points which lie on this line segment belong to the interior of the quadrilateral? No. Let us take one example. I am taking a point here E which does not belong to the interior of the quadrilateral. From this what we can understand children? Yes, this quadrilateral ABCD is a concave quadrilateral. At least one interior angle of a concave quadrilateral is more than 180 degrees. Children, here you try to understand, I am taking angle C which is interior, which is more than 180 degrees. Children, if you take concave quadrilateral, one angle will be more than 180 degrees. Let us understand angle sum property of a quadrilateral. The sum of 4 angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Children, you know that sum of 3 angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Sum of 4 angles of a quadrilateral will be 360 degrees. Let us understand this. Children, I am taking here ABCD quadrilateral and I am taking 4 angles here. If I take these 4 angles out and if I arrange them, you will get a circle. Children, what you can understand from this? Yes, I am taking here 4 angles and if I arrange them like this, I am getting a circle. So it covers 360 degrees. Children, from this what you can understand? Sum of 4 angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. The 3 angles of a quadrilateral are 55 degrees, 65 degrees and 105 degrees. What is the 4th angle? Children, what is given in the question? Yes, 3 angles of a quadrilateral are given and they are asking you to find the 4th angle. How to do this children? Let the 4th angle be x degrees. Given 3 angles are 55 degrees, 65 degrees and 105 degrees. I am taking the 4th angle as x degrees. You know that sum of the 4 angles in a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degrees. So what I am doing children? Yes, I am adding these 3 angles along with x degrees so that I will get 360 degrees. 55 plus 65 you will get 120, 120 plus 105 you will get 225. So 225 degrees plus x degrees equal to 360 degrees, or I can say x degrees equal to 360 degrees minus 225 degrees. Children, if it is here plus, if it is going to the right hand side, it will become minus. So 360 degrees minus 225 degrees. What I am getting children? Yes, I am getting 135 degrees. So what is the 4th angle? Yes, it is 135 degrees. Children, like this, you can find unknown angle measurement using angle sum property of a quadrilateral. The angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 2:3:4:6. Find the measures of each of the 4 angles. Children, in this, they did not give the measure of any angle, but what they have given? Yes, they have given the ratio. Now, the angles will be 2x, 3x, 4x and 6x. As I am taking here 2:3:4:6, I am getting 2x, 3x, 4x, 6x. If I take 1:2:3:4, what will get children? Yes, x, 2x, 3x, 4x. Now you know that sum of 4 angles in a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. So what I have to do? Yes, you have to add them. 2x plus 3x plus 4x plus 6x equal to 360 degrees. So you will get 15x equal to 360 degrees, or I can say x equal to 360 degrees by 15. As it is 15 into x, when it goes to right hand side, it will become divided by. So can we cancel this children? Yes. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 fours are 60. So what I am getting here? Yes, I am getting 24 degrees. So what is the first angle, children? Yes, it is 2x, means 2 into 24, you get 48 degrees. Second angle 3x, 3 into 24 degrees, 72 degrees. Third angle 4x, 4 into 24 degrees, 96 degrees. Fourth angle 6x, so 6 into 24 degrees, you will get 144 degrees. So what are the four angles, children, here? Yes, 48 degrees, 72 degrees, 96 degrees and 144 degrees. Now let us understand types of convex quadrilaterals. Children, here the first one is trapezium, second one kite, third one parallelogram, fourth one rhombus, fifth one rectangle and sixth one square. Children, we have 6 types of quadrilaterals. What is the first one? Trapezium, next kite, parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle and square. Children, in your earlier classes you already learnt about rectangle and square. Now in this session let us understand what are these quadrilaterals and their properties. First I am taking trapezium, a quadrilateral with one pair of parallel sides. Children, you try to understand here. I am taking a quadrilateral. Is it a quadrilateral? Yes, it is formed by 4 line segments. And what is the condition to become a trapezium here? Yes, with one pair of parallel sides. Children, what I am doing here? Are you observing the highlighted sides here? Yes, these are parallel to each other. We can show with the arrow mark here. Children, when we want to show parallel lines, we can use the arrow mark here. So, I can say that these two sides are parallel to each other. Like this, I am taking 3 more figures, children, here. Here, these two sides are parallel. These two sides are parallel. These two sides are parallel. So, I can call them also as trapeziums. So, children, when a quadrilateral will become a trapezium? If a pair of opposite sides are parallel to each other. The diagonals are not equal. Children, in a trapezium, the diagonals are not equal. I am taking a trapezium here, A, B, C, D. Here, AC is one diagonal and BD is the another diagonal. Children, what I can say from this? The diagonals are not equal. AC is not equal to BD. If the non-parallel sides of a trapezium are equal, then it is called isosceles trapezium. Children, observe the trapezium here. Yes, it is a trapezium because AB is parallel to CD and I am taking 2 diagonals here, AC, BD, and I can say that AD is equal to BC. So, I am calling this trapezium as isosceles trapezium. Children, when we can call a trapezium as isosceles trapezium? Yes, when non-parallel sides are equal. See here, AB is parallel to CD. AD and BC are non-parallel sides. If they are equal, then it becomes a isosceles trapezium. Okay, now let us understand what is a kite. A quadrilateral with exactly 2 pairs of equal consecutive sides, or we can call adjacent sides. Children, here I am taking a kite and here you can understand that these 2 sides are equal and these 2 sides are equal. Means in a quadrilateral you have to have exactly 2 pairs of equal consecutive sides. So, these 2 sides are equal, these 2 sides are equal. So, I can call this quadrilateral as kite. I am taking another example here. Yes, these 2 sides are equal and these 2 sides are equal. So, I can call this also as a kite. The diagonals are not equal and perpendicular to one another. Children, I am taking a kite here. Is it a kite? Yes. Why? These 2 sides are equal and these 2 sides are equal. Now, what I am doing, children? Yes, I am taking 2 diagonals. One is AC, another one BD. Children, are they equal in length? No, they are not equal in length. But what you are observing, children, here? Yes, they are perpendicular to one another. See, children, this is the sign can be taken as 90 degrees. So, I can say that AC is perpendicular to BD. So, in kite, the diagonals are perpendicular to each other. One of the diagonals bisect the other. Children, what I am doing here? Yes, I am taking AC diagonal and I am taking BD diagonal. And the point of intersection of the diagonals is taken as O. and they are perpendicular to each other. You can see with the symbol here. Next, this OC is not equal to OA, but OB is equal to OD. So what is this AC doing, children? Yes, AC is bisecting BD, means one diagonal is bisecting the other. So from this what we can understand, children? In a kite, one of the diagonals bisect the other. So here AC is bisecting BD. How can you say that it is bisecting? See here, OB is equal to OD, means this AC is dividing this BD into two parts at O. Now let us understand what is a parallelogram. A quadrilateral with two pairs of opposite sides parallel. Children, here I am taking a parallelogram. Are you observing the highlighted sides here? Yes, these two are parallel to each other, and these two opposite sides are also parallel to each other. Children, in trapezium, we will have one pair of opposite sides parallel, but in parallelogram, two pairs of opposite sides are parallel to each other. I am taking another parallelogram here. Yes, these two sides are parallel to each other. These two sides are parallel to each other. From this what you can understand, children? A quadrilateral with two pairs of opposite side parallel is called a parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal. Children, in a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Children, here you can understand ABCD is a parallelogram, and I can say that AB is equal to CD. Children, here observe AB equal to CD, and at the same time BC is equal to AD. Opposite angles are equal. Children, you can understand here angle A equal to angle C, angle B equal to angle D. So what I can say, children, here in parallelogram ABCD, opposite sides are equal and opposite angles are also equal. The diagonals are not equal. Children, I am taking here ABCD parallelogram. AC is one diagonal, BD is another diagonal. Are they equal, children? No. So I can say AC not equal to BD. But what you are observing here? Yes, they are intersecting at O and they are bisecting one another. What is meant by bisecting one another, children? Here, if I take AC diagonal, it is bisected at O. If I take BD diagonal, it is bisected at O. From this what you can understand? Yes, OA equal to OC and OB equal to OD. So in a parallelogram, diagonals are not equal, but they bisect one another. Let us understand what is a rhombus. Children, a parallelogram with all sides of equal length. Children, when in a quadrilateral, two pairs of opposite sides are parallel, it becomes a parallelogram. And if that parallelogram having all sides of equal length, then we call it as a rhombus. Children, what you are observing here? Yes, sides are parallel to each other and all sides are equal. And here also you can observe the same thing here, children. These two opposite sides are parallel to each other and all sides are equal. So I can call it as a rhombus. All sides are equal. Children, in rhombus you can see that all sides are equal, means AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD. In parallelogram, opposite sides are equal, but in rhombus all sides are equal. Opposite angles are equal. See, children, in parallelogram also opposite angles are equal. In rhombus also opposite angles are equal, means angle A equal to angle C, angle B equal to angle D. The diagonals are not equal. See, children, here I am taking rhombus ABCD, I am taking diagonal AC, diagonal BD, they are not equal. But what you are observing, children? Yes, they are bisecting each other and they are perpendicular. Children, in a rhombus, diagonals are not equal, means AC not equal to BD. Okay, but they bisect one another perpendicularly, means AC is perpendicular to BD and at the same time they are bisecting one another. So what you can say, children? OA equal to OC, OB equal to OD. Now let us understand what is a rectangle. A parallelogram with all right angles. See, children, a parallelogram with all equal sides is called rhombus. A parallelogram with all right angles is called a rectangle. Children, I am taking here opposite sides are equal. Okay. and all angles are equal to 90 degrees. So I can call this as a rectangle. So in a parallelogram, if all the angles are right angles, then we can call it as a rectangle. Opposite sides are equal. Children, in a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. All angles are equal to 90 degrees. Children, observe the picture here. Yes, it is a rectangle. And you can observe that AB equal to CD and BC is equal to AD. So what I can say, children, here, opposite sides are equal and all angles are equal to 90 degrees. In a rectangle, the diagonals are equal and bisect one another. Children, observe here, I am taking a rectangle ABCD. I am taking diagonal AC. I am taking diagonal BD. They are intersecting at O, and I can say that they are bisecting one another. So what I can say, children, here, OA equal to OC and OB equal to OD. So in a rectangle, diagonals are equal and bisect one another. So what we can say, OA equal to OB equal to OC equal to OD. Now let us understand what is a square. A rectangle with sides of equal length. Children, in a rectangle, if all sides are equal, then it forms a square. So in square, all sides are equal and all angles are equal to 90 degrees. All sides are equal and all angles are equal to 90 degrees. Children, observe the square here. I am taking all sides are equal, means AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD. And I can say angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C equal to angle D, which is equal to 90 degrees. So what you can understand from this, children? Yes, in a square, all sides are equal and all angles are equal to 90 degrees. Diagonals are equal and bisect one another perpendicularly. Children, observe here, I am taking a square ABCD. I am taking diagonal AC. I am taking another diagonal BD. And they are perpendicular to one another and they are intersecting at which point, children? At O. And are they bisecting each other? Yes. So what you can say, OA equal to OC and OB equal to OD. But the diagonals are equal, so I can say that OA equal to OB equal to OC equal to OD. So from this, what you can understand, children? Yes, in a square, the diagonals are equal and perpendicular to each other and at the same time bisect one another. Now let us solve a problem, children. In a rhombus ABCD, angle ABC equal to 110 degrees, find the other angles. So what I am doing, children, here, yes, in a rhombus ABCD, you know that opposite angles are equal. So I can say angle A equal to angle C and angle B equal to angle D. Here they have given angle ABC. Children, here angle ABC we can take B. So I can say that angle B is given as 110 degrees. So angle ABC can be taken as angle B because you have to look at the center. Center is B. So I am calling it as angle B, which is equal to 110 degrees. So from this, what you can understand, children? Yes, ABCD is a rhombus and angle B equal to 110 degrees. What is the opposite angle of angle B, children? Yes, it is angle D. So I can say angle D equal to angle B equal to 110 degrees. Now what are the remaining two angles? Yes, they are A and C. Children, in a parallelogram or in a rhombus or in a rectangle or in a square, sum of two adjacent angles will be 180 degrees. So I am taking here angle A plus angle B as 180 degrees. Angle B is 110 degrees. So angle A plus 110 degrees equal to 180 degrees. Angle A equal to 180 degrees minus 110 degrees, as it is plus. If it is going to right hand side, it will become minus. So 180 degrees minus 110 degrees, which is equal to 70 degrees. So I am taking angle A equal to angle C equal to 70 degrees. Children, from this, what you can understand here? Yes, in a rhombus, if one angle is given, you can find the remaining three angles. How to find, children? Yes, it's very simple. In rhombus, opposite angles are equal, and in rhombus, sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degrees. Now let us solve another problem, children. Two adjacent sides of a parallelogram are in the ratio 5:3. The perimeter of the parallelogram is 48 centimeters. Find the length of each of its sides. Children, here measurement of the sides is not given, but perimeter of the parallelogram is given. We have to find the measurements of sides. How to do this, children? Yes, Ratio of adjacent sides is given as 5:3. So what I am doing, I am taking a parallelogram here. Yes, it is ABCD. Opposite sides, AB opposite side is CD, BC opposite side is AD. So I can say that in a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. So AB equal to CD equal to 5x. As it is 5:3, I am taking here 5x. And BC is equal to AD is equal to 3x. As it is here 3, I am taking 3x children. And perimeter of the parallelogram is given as 48 centimeters. Yes. So how to find perimeter children? It's very simple. Find the sum of the measure of the each side. So AB plus BC plus CD plus AD, which is equal to 48 centimeter. So AB 5x, BC 3x, CD 5x, AD 3x. So sum of this is given as 48. So 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 5 13, 13 plus 3 16. So I am getting 16x equal to 48 centimeter. So x equal to 48 by 16. Children, can we cancel here? Yes. 16 1s are 16 3s are. So what is x equal to children? Yes, it is 3 centimeter. So AB is equal to CD. Children, here this is the parallelogram. In parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. So AB equal to CD equal to 5x. What is x children here? It is 3. So 5 into 3, which is equal to 15 centimeter. And BC is equal to AD equal to 3x. So 3 into 3, which is equal to 9 centimeter. Okay children, try yourself. In a rhombus ABCD, angle A equal to 50 degrees. Find the other angles. See children, what is given here? In rhombus ABCD, angle A is given. You have to find the measure of angle B, angle C and angle D. In a parallelogram PQRS, PQ 12 centimeter, QR 8 centimeter. You have to find the perimeter of the parallelogram. The angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 1:2, 2:2, 3:4. You have to find the measure of each angle. See children, the first angle should be taken as x, second angle 2x, third angle 3x and fourth angle 4x, and you have to take the sum as 360 degrees. After getting x, you find the angles. Okay children, in this session you learnt about what is a quadrilateral and what are the different types of quadrilaterals and properties of quadrilaterals. For better understanding of the concepts, solve the worksheets. Please visit the official website of SIET for worksheets. Okay children, let us meet in our next session. Thank you.